Let me tell you something calmly. AI is not the end of developers. AI is the end of slow workflows. And the developers who understand this early are growing faster than ever. Today, I want to talk to you about one idea that can change your career. Not AI as a threat, but AI as a coworker. A few months ago, one developer came to me. Good developer, hardworking, honest, but always stressed. He said, I work 8 to 9 hours every day, but still I feel slow compared to others. I asked him one question. Do you work alone, or do you work with AI? He said, I don't trust AI much. I prefer writing everything myself. I smiled, because this is exactly how many developers are working today, like it is still 2015. Let us see the reality. Before AI, you search Google 20 times, you read 5 Stack Overflow answers, you try 3 solutions, you fix the bug in 2 hours. After AI Coworker, ask once, get explanation, get suggestion, fix in 30 to 40 minutes. Before AI, writing boilerplate code to 1 hour, documentation to 40 minutes, unit tests to skipped. After AI, boilerplate to 10 minutes, documentation to auto-generated tests, to suggested instantly. Many developers are saving 2 to 3 hours every day. That is not magic. That is working smarter. Smart developers today don't use AI to cheat. They use AI to think faster. They ask, explain this error, suggest better logic, optimize this code, review my function, write test cases, summarize documentation. Because of this, their speed increases 30 to 50%. Not because AI is doing everything, because AI removes the slow part. And when slow work is removed, your mind gets free for real thinking. In old times, a student learned faster when he had a guru, not because the guru did the work, because the guru removed confusion. Today, AI can do the same. It can guide, it can suggest, it can explain, but only if you use it wisely. Lazy developers say, write code for me. Smart developers say, teach me how to write better code. Lazy developers become dependent. Smart developers become powerful. In many companies now, I see 2 types of developers. First type, works alone, takes 6 hours for a task, gets tired, feels insecure. Second type, uses AI, finishes in 3 hours, uses extra time to learn, understands system deeper. After few months, who do you think grows faster? Not the one who worked harder, the one who worked smarter. Companies don't reward effort alone, they reward value. And AI helps you create more value. People say AI will take jobs, but reality is different. Companies don't remove people because AI exists. They remove people when productivity stays the same while tools improve. If one developer with AI can do work of 2, then every developer must learn AI. Not to survive, to stay relevant. The future will not belong to people who know the most syntax. The future will belong to people who learn the fastest. If you are a developer, start doing this daily. Use AI to review your code. Use AI to explain errors. Use AI to learn new topics. Use AI to generate examples. Use AI to speed up boring work, but never stop thinking yourself. AI should be your coworker, not your replacement, not your boss, not your brain, your coworker. Technology will keep changing. Tools will keep changing. Languages will keep changing. But one thing never changes. People who adapt, grow. People who resist, struggle. So don't fear AI. Sit with it, work with it, learn with it. And one day you will realize, the thing you were afraid of became the reason you moved ahead.